Did you know humanity just hit another milestone on the moon? At 3:34 a.m. EST today, Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost lander made a successful touchdown on the lunar surface. This marks the second commercial spacecraft to achieve a soft landing, and Firefly's first. Launched on January 15, 2025 from Kennedy Space Center via a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, Blue Ghost took 45 days to reach its destination. It now sits near Mont-Latrey within Mare Crisium, a gigantic 340-mile-wide basin on the moon's near side. So what's Blue Ghost's mission? It's packed with 10 NASA science and technology payloads aimed at advancing lunar science. One standout experiment is the Lunar GNSS receiver, which successfully tracked GPS signals from a record-breaking distance of 246,000 miles. Imagine using Earth-based navigation systems on the moon. There's also a high-tech vacuum cleaner, the Lunar Planet Vac, designed to collect lunar soil. And the electrodynamic dust shield? It's there to keep lunar dust from messing up our equipment. Blue Ghost's mission lasts for 14 Earth days, but it may extend into the lunar night. It's already begun transmitting high-definition photos and videos capturing the lunar surface and even Earth eclipsing the sun during its journey. Why is this important? Firefly's success shows the growing role of commercial companies in space exploration. Under NASA's CLPS initiative, part of the Artemis program, companies like Firefly are paving the way for future human missions to the moon and beyond. If you found this fascinating, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing space updates. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for our next adventure into the cosmos.